Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And as soon as I shifted in Twin Flame's area where I became his immediate neighbor, so apart from all those, back-to-back incidents, I noticed that, I was heavily attacked by dark entities. And then I started thinking, is there anybody else who is, currently doing black magic on me, or what is this? But then I also realized the experiences I had because of black magic, those were completely different from these spirit attacks. So these entities were actually attacking during nighttime only. So whenever I used to stay at home during on weekends, so that time I was experiencing these heavy attack of these dark entities from 12 a.m. till 3 or 3:15. So now I started noticing. Now the reason was my awakening was about to happen. Also, when you are stressed or experiencing negative emotions, that time these entities attacks you even heavier. So when somebody is experiencing negative emotions or stressful situations and already sad, so those energies actually represents negative emotions and lower vibrational energies. So as being twin flame, I realized, I noticed this after awakening only, because of my stressful situations I was not able to understand what is this happening all of a sudden now, and it was happening daily. So what I started doing, doing protection prayer before sleeping. That time they were not able to attack, but every night I was not able to do this. Maybe I was forgetting because of the stressful situations, so that time they were able to attack. But now this got increased even heavier, and I did not experience it this way before, if I talk about my childhood experiences. So when I noticed after my spiritual awakening, this was the same kind of entities attack which I was going through since my childhood. So, and I knew that time also I have experienced black magic. So the difference between these entities attack and black magic are completely different. So as it was happening daily, so I was questioning, how is this happening and why is it happening? Is there anybody who has again started doing this? But also at the same time, as I remember in 2018, black magic removal was done through a tantric, and by that time I already disconnected from this tantric, as he wasn't a good person. And in most of the cases I've seen, tantrics are generally wrong people. So try to maintain distance as much as you can from such people. But then as it was destined, because I had a lot of questions about tantrics and black magic. So in my religion, people are so particular about timings. If I talk about, practices in village, and all those practices are actually, to keep you safe from such entities. So there are a lot of habits which you will have to change to stop these entities. There are a lot of people who think maybe, if they perform this remedy, that remedy, and if they do not change their habit, then remember, you will always have these entities access in your life. So yes, you will have to perform lot of rituals and remedies to stop them, but at the same time you will also have to change a lot of your habits that I will be sharing in upcoming videos. Also, I have made several videos related to this topic only, entities attacks, monitoring spirits. You can go ahead and check out, it is connected to that thing only. Also, I have shared several videos on physical cleansing of your house and energy cleansing. Also, how can you cleanse your physical body and energy body. I have shared detailed video on this. So make sure you watch all those videos, because there are things which I have shared. Even though if you have to change your habits, I think I have done that. Also, there are remedies which I have shared, so make sure you go ahead and start following all those remedies. And in upcoming videos I'll be sharing everything to protect yourself from these entities. Because if you are a twin flame or you are a chosen one, you must be experiencing such attacks, or may not be. Because so why was I experiencing this attack since my childhood? The biggest reason was I have never been part of 3D matrix. So that was biggest reason. Because if somebody is not part of 3D matrix, that too, if you are a twin flame or a star seed or a chosen one, there are a lot of things which you can see. wherein I have already shared in my previous video, dark entities do exist in spirit form but also in human form. So a lot of things are being done on planet, through those entities who exist in human form. So I can see through all of these things. So they knew if I get to know, or if I come in this acceptance, there will be changes on the planet. So this was another thing that I was so heavily targeted. So your situation better, whether you are being attacked or not, and they do attack in several other ways, especially when you start doing your inner work. So, and also one thing I noticed, when they were attacking heavily, I can see spirits, but these people, I was not able to see their faces. They were hiding themselves on purpose. Maybe the reason was, during my childhood I told them, when they were attacking again, so I told them, the day I come in this acceptance, this is all truth, I will take action on this. And I knew that only spiritual protection or spiritual practices can stop these entities. So they were hiding their faces on purpose so that I don't come in this acceptance. Also, only an year back, black magic was removed, so they were trying to create illusions. Maybe I am being attacked again by humans who does black magic and all. And yes, I was thinking that way only, but I was also questioning these experiences. These attacks are completely different from those human experiences. When somebody does a black magic or a spell work on you, and when these entities who are from the other world, they attack you. So I did recognize the difference. So I realized why it was happening. It had 2-3 reasons. That yes, I was already into lower vibrational because of back to back painful incidents in my life, as my friend's incident, then dog's death, and then several other things were happening parallelly. So I was not able to overcome from this crying situation, and kept on crying. So that was another reason they started attacking heavily, because you are already in a lower vibrational energies when you are crying, when you are sad. So this is a reason that you will have to take care of your mental state a lot. You will have to make efforts to keep yourself emotionally stable and happy. Do not let yourself go into painful or negative emotions. Otherwise, if you're a chosen one, you will start experiencing all these things. So as it was happening, I was questioning, why is this happening? And if there is somebody who is actually doing something, then I'm not able to see them. Wherein by that time, I think I was already in my power. So I started questioning. But then after that, the moment I was coming in this acceptance, these things are happening with me. All of a sudden something else happens, and that was again part of back-to-back incidents which were happening in my life. Now this was again another shocking thing which I experienced. So I thought, I don't know what is happening with me, why all these things are happening. So that shocking thing which I experienced, it had nothing to do with this black magic or the entity attack. I will share that information in a separate video, because something I experienced which was amazing after my spiritual awakening, and that was connected to this particular incident only. So that I will share in upcoming video. So these dark entities try to stop chosen ones, twin flames and star seeds from ascending, from doing the inner work. So make sure you are protected spiritually all the time.